Hello everyone, welcome back to Elnaz channel. Today we're going to learn new words about the different parts of a house and the things inside it. Listen carefully, and after me, repeat the words. Are you ready? Let's start together. Kitchen. Kitchen. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Washing machine. Washing machine. Microwave. Microwave. Stove. Stove. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Living room. Living room. Sofa. Sofa. Lamp. Lamp. Heater. Heater. Picture. Picture. Armchair. Armchair. Curtain. Curtain. TV. TV. Carpet. Carpet. Table. Table. Bookcase. Bookcase. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bed. Bed. Dresser. Dresser. Mirror. Mirror. Table. Table. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Closet. Closet. Coat rack. Coat rack. Chair. Chair. Attic. Attic. Basement. Basement. Sofa. Bathroom. Bathroom. Shower. Shower. Sink. Sink. Toilet. Toilet. Now it's time to have a quiz and see how much we have learned about the words for different parts of the house and the furniture inside. If you are ready, let's begin. What is this? This is the bathroom. What is this? This is a dresser. What is this? This is a TV. What is this? This is a closet. Yes, that's correct. What is this? This is a washing machine. What is this? This is a bed. Excellent. What is this? That's correct. Well done. This is a lamp. What is this? Excellent, you answered correctly. This is a curtain. What is this? Yes, that's correct. This is a bookcase. What is this? This is a refrigerator. Great job! You have now learned more than 30 new words. Don't forget to practice them at home. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Bye for now.